Hello, how are you all doing? I hope each and every one of you are doing well. I wanted to show you all this wig I was sent from Klaiyi Hair. I want to thank Klaiyi Hair for sending me out this wig. I appreciate you all so much. But they sent me out their 13 by 4 lace front wig in a curly texture. I have a 24-inch 180% density wig, and it is a highlight blonde color. So here I'm just showing you all the goodies that they sent me in the box. I got some lashes, some clips, a set scarf, wig caps, and yeah, here's the wig. I'm just showing you guys how it looks. I do believe the lace, I believe it was transparent lace, but don't quote me on that. I'm going to have all of the correct information down in the description box for you if you're interested in this wig or in this company. But this wig did come pre-plucked. I did go in and bleach the knots just a little bit in the front, just a little bit, just to further bleach them. But you don't have to, of course, because this is a brownish blonde wig, and also if you don't want to, you don't have to. And again, this is a lace front, so you get more parting space in the middle than you do on the sides. But to apply my wig, of course, y'all know I love to do the glueless method. So I did use I think it's the ebon lace spray in the red can. I want to try the black one, but I did do the red one. And yeah, y'all have seen me install my wigs time and time again. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video and the install. I do want to thank y'all so much for watching another one of my videos. I know it's been a minute since I've seen y'all, but again, I hope you all are doing well. I love y'all so much for always supporting me. And again, enjoy the video. I'm gonna stop blabbering. I'm out of here. Love y'all so much.
She had a gap tooth and a